Where are you going to store all of the holiday gifts your children received? Hi, I'm Susan Stewart, professional organizer and owner of Perfectly Placed.
And I'm Travis Stewart, a professional counselor. And today we're going to take a look at how to manage holiday clutter in this organizing deep dive. It's the time of year when we have more stuff coming into our already overstuffed homes. How do we handle all of that clutter? I think you did a great job when our kids were young of helping the kids make room for Santa. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Oh, thanks. So before Christmas or Hanukkah, in our family it was Christmas, I would just talk with the kids about, hey, we need to make some room in your bedroom for the things that Santa's gonna bring. And that's kind of a cool way to introduce it to the kids, especially when they're young, that gets them motivated to want to let go of some of their things because they're feeling really excited about getting some new things.
And actually, I think it's probably easier to do that before the holiday than after, because the mention of more gifts actually may motivate them and energize them to do it rather than afterwards when it's like, well, here, I already got all this stuff.
It can still be done after, but I think it's just easier if it's done before. Absolutely.
You could also combine that with making donations to needy kids, needy projects, taking things to Goodwill so that other people have an opportunity to use the toys that the kids are no longer playing with. So I think you have a really helpful illustration about what causes clutter. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Sure. So I always tell people that clutter happens when things are coming in faster than they're going out. So we've got to do two things to help with that. So we've got to slow down the amount of things that are coming in, and we've got to speed up the rate at which they're going out.
And that's really challenging at this time of year because there's a lot coming in, right? So now's a great time to get some stuff out. But sometimes it's not the kids who have trouble getting rid of things. It's the parents. Right. Tell me a little bit about your experience in working with clients about parents having a hard time getting rid of or helping their kids get rid of some of the toys that they're no longer using or the clothes that no longer fit.
Yeah, I think parents, it's difficult because they sentimentalize the toys and the clothes and memories, and it just gets difficult to let go of those things. And often they'll be frustrated, particularly with the toys, and they'll be like, oh, my kids have so many things, and but they don't want to let go of it. But what I find is really more true is that the parents have the difficulty letting go of some things.
What are some other ways that people can capture those emotional moments and still let go of the items?
Yeah, well, I like to think about, you have those memories. You probably also have a lot of photos of your child in the outfit. You have maybe video of you playing ball with your kids. So it's not necessarily the item that you need. You just need to remember the memory of it and just that time and soak that in.
And I wonder if journaling or writing down some of those memories or doing something like that, or taking pictures of the toys or things, if you really want to keep a hold of the memory, you can do it in different ways than simply holding onto the item, which is taking up more space.
Yeah,
right?
I think that's great. And like you said, now's a good time to let go of some things. So sometimes people think, oh, I paid good money for that, or oh, it feels so wasteful to just give it away. But I like to think of the idea that it's a lot less wasteful to let go of it and let somebody use that than have it just collecting dust in the bottom of a closet or on the floor or under the bed.
Yeah, absolutely. If you would like more help with organizing or decluttering, you can visit perfectlyplaced.org/deep dive to learn more about the resources we have for you.
Thanks for watching.